What are the challenges when it comes to teaching Yiddish music?
Not too many people interested in it. Not enough. I want more.
Okay.
And also this issue I mentioned before, that most Jewish people are not interested in their own culture. I would say that's the most painful issue for me, that Jews themselves are not interested in their own culture. And I would study classical music, I would study some gypsy music or Balkan music, but not Yiddish. So that is something I still have to come to terms with. Oh, I've asked people. It's the culture of the Holocaust. It's the culture of death, I heard. That's what people say. It's too painful to go back to it. It's not good enough or interesting enough musically. What else? All sorts of answers. And I think there is something to do with the Holocaust and the pain, but I think it's also time to let go and not see it as the culture. There is a big issue of the Holocaust being the most popular subject when you talk about Ashkenazi Jews. Ashkenazi Jews, Holocaust. That's the first thing that comes to mind, and that's a stereotype that's been put into people's minds over these years. And I think it's now quite unhealthy. It's been so long. And I'd like that to change. I don't know how it can, because it's still much easier to get money for a memorial, for a crying and sobbing and hugging each other Holocaust memory event, show, than for building a new choir, putting Klesfest together, or something that would keep this culture alive. It's much easier to bury it and cry for it and get money for it.